Hello, colleagues. I'd like to take a quick moment to show you the chat feature that I kind of discussed yesterday in yesterday's overview of my day. Um, what you're going to want to do in order to use the chat feature is first check over here in this gear and go to settings, and then click on chat, and then make sure that the chat is on, and then save your changes. Then after you verify that chat is on, you're going to want to come over here. You're going to see chat come up down here at the bottom, but you might need to make changes right here. So if your menu is collapsed, you're going to click on these three bars in order to expand your menu, and then you should be able to see the Hangouts right here. Now, I haven't had any chats with anybody, so there's no record of any of my conversations yet. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to connect with somebody. So I'm going to send a message to Mrs. Yake. Okay. And I'm going to invite Mrs. Yake to chat on Hangouts. Now, the benefit to doing this is once you start a chat with somebody, you're going to be able to kind of have a conversation back and forth with that individual instead of emails getting kind of bogged in between each other. So, for example, I get an email from ODE, and then I get another email from Scholastic, and my emails back and forth with a student kind of get lost and intermingled. So I can have this conversation with a student. So what's going to happen on the other person's side is that they got an invitation, and I'm going to accept the invitation, and you're going to see after Mrs. Yake has accepted the invitation, now you're ready to chat. Now, either one of you can send either a picture, a little emoji or sticker, or a message. So at this point, the individual that is on the other end can type you a message. They're typing a message. You're seeing them typing because you see their picture pop up with some dots, so you know that they are in the middle of typing you a message, and then you're just waiting to respond to that message. Mrs. Yake has sent you the message, and you should have heard a little sound, and now you can have that conversation with Mrs. Yake, and you can have multiple conversations, but then everything is stored right here. And if you close that conversation and you come over here, you can see your conversations also over here to the side, so you can resize this so you can have multiple conversations going on over on the side, and you can read through and have a record of that conversation. So you can say this is and so now you're having the conversation back and forth. And so that's how you use the chat feature. Now note, within the chat feature, you can have a video call. You can add multiple people to the group within the chat. You can send pictures. So if I want to send a picture to somebody, I can drag that picture in right here, or I can turn on my web camera. So there are some options here without you having to go into a separate tool and use the chat. And what I found most helpful is we were chatting back and forth, and then I used a different tool. I'll make a separate video in order for the student to be able to show me their screen and ask questions about what was on their screen. So I'll send a separate video for if you want a screencast.